School Rocks Nation presents Natural Objects in the Sky, Grade 3 Science, Quarter 4, Week 6, Day 1, Revised K-12 Curriculum. What are natural objects? Natural objects are found in nature. They are made by natural processes. They exist without the help of humans. They are not made by people. What are human-made objects? Human-made objects are created by people using natural materials or other resources. They are not found in nature. They are manufactured or constructed. They are built using tools, machines, or technology. What is a tool? A tool is something we use to help us do work. Tools are used to build and fix things. Human-made objects are made using various tools. Examples of tools. 1. A hammer is a tool for putting nails in wood. 2. A ruler is a tool for making straight lines. Activity 1. Direction. What are the names of these objects that you can see in the sky? Hot air balloon, sun, clouds. Airplane, kite, rainbow. Activity 2. Direction. Write N if the object is natural and H if it's human-made. Ready? Go! Kite, H. Sun, N. Rainbow, N. Cloud, N. Airplane, H. Hot air balloon, H. Activity 3. Direction. Identify if it's living or non-living thing by filling up the table below. Here are the answers. Living things are bird, insect, bats. Non-living things are stars, clouds, airplane, sun, moon. There are many things you can see in the sky, whether it's morning or night. Some of them are natural, while others are human-made. Natural objects found in the sky. 1. Planets. Planets are objects that can be seen in the sky at night. They look like bright stars. The planets Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn can be seen even without a telescope. To the naked eye, Jupiter looks like a big bright star. But Venus looks much bigger and brighter. Mars looks like a reddish star, while Saturn looks like a yellowish star. Question. If I look at the night sky, how do I tell the difference between a planet and a star? Answer. Planets do not twinkle like stars because they are much closer to us. When they look at a planet, they are seeing a bigger, steadier light than when they look at a star. Since planets are closer, their light does not get bent and bounce around as much by the air, so they shine more steadily. On the other hand, stars are very, very far away because their light must travel a long way through space and through the air around Earth. Therefore, it looks like it is twinkling. So, if you see something shining steadily, it is probably a planet. If it's twinkling, it's probably a star. 2. Stars. Stars are big balls of hot, glowing gas. They look tiny because they are very far away from Earth. Our sun is actually a yellow dwarf star. 3. Moon. The moon is a large rock that goes around Earth. It shines at night because it reflects light from the sun. 4. Clouds. Clouds are made of tiny drops of water or ice. We can see clouds in the daytime and sometimes at night when the moon or city lights shine on them. Here are human-made objects found in the sky: airplane, helicopter, kite, hot air balloon. Remember, natural objects occur in nature and are not made by people. They are made by natural processes. They exist without help of humans. Examples: sun, moon, stars, clouds. 2. Human-made objects are created by people using natural materials or other resources. They are not found in nature. They are manufactured or constructed. They are built using tools, machines, or technology. Examples: planes, kites, balloons, and more. 3. The common objects in the sky that are natural and non-living are the sun, moon, planets, stars, and clouds. Activity: write T if the statement is true and F if it's false. 1. Fireworks are natural objects in the sky. 2. Human-made things are found in nature. 3. Balloons are human-made objects in the sky. 4. A helicopter is a natural object in the sky. 5. Natural things are not made by people. Here are the answers. 1. Fireworks are natural objects in the sky. F. 2. Human-made things are found in nature. F. 3. Balloons are human-made objects in the sky. T. 4. A helicopter is a natural object in the sky. F. 5. Natural things are not made by people. T.